Hello fabric friends, I hope you are all doing great today. I am doing pretty good and I'm excited to bring you a video all about half square triangles. If you're a beginner quilter, this video is perfect for you to learn a basic building block to get you starting and finishing quilts just like that. In today's video, we will learn how to make half square triangles in 3 different ways. So make sure to save this video to watch over and over again and to share it with all of your sewing friends. We will learn how to make half square triangles using the 2 at a time method, the 4 at a time method, and the 8 at a time method. Also, I'll make sure to leave a link to where you can find these adorable cheat sheets that we created with all of the formulas on how to create whatever size half square triangle you want. I think these cheat sheets are so adorable that I might frame them and put them up on my sewing machine for great reference and liven up my sewing space. So let's get started on making these half square triangles. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel for quilting tips and tricks and fun fabric videos. Grab some scrap fabrics from your stash and let's get to it. I have my cheat sheets printed out and ready to go. All I need to do is decide what size half square triangle I want to create. I want my finished half square triangle to be 4 inches, so I cut out 2 4 7/8 squares from 2 different fabrics for the 2 at a time method. Following the diagrams on my printout, I placed my squares right sides together. I drew a diagonal line from corner to corner with a fabric marking pen on one of my squares. I will bring this over to my machine and stitch on each side of the line at 1/4 inch. Now all I have to do is cut my piece using a straight edge by matching it up with my line and cutting my piece right down the middle to reveal 2 half square triangles. To remove my dog ears, I pressed my half square triangles open and trimmed each side to a perfect 4.5 inch half square triangle. Now let's jump into the 4 at a time method. I want my unfinished half square triangle to be 3.5 inches, so I cut 2 5.5 inch squares. Place them right sides together and sew around your pieces at 1/4 inch, stopping at each corner and lifting up your presser foot with your needle in the down position, while pivoting your fabrics to sew all the way around your squares. Take a straight edge and cut on both diagonals to reveal 4 half square triangles. Trim your blocks like we did with the first set of half square triangles. Next, we're going to make 8 at a time half square triangles. Decide what size half square triangle you want and cut out 2 fabric squares. Place them right sides together, and this time, draw a line from each corner on one of your squares to create 2 diagonal lines. Sew on each side of the diagonal lines at 1/4 inch. Take your straight edge and cut on both diagonals. Then cut your squares horizontally and vertically in half to reveal 8 half square triangles. So whether you use the 2 at a time, 4 at a time, or 8 at a time method, all the different ways will bring you one step closer to a finished quilt project. Make sure to print out your cheat sheets for a quick reference and a cute image to place on your walls. So now that you can make half square triangles in 3 different ways, it's time to start making all of the quilty projects. You can turn your half square triangles into pillows, bags, quilts. The possibilities are endless. So make sure to comment below with what your favorite method is, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to keep making these half square triangles, so I will see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing!